the age where constant pressure, sedentary lifestyle, long working hours, and stress is our way of living. Our mind are constantly preoccupied by deadlines and pressure. In such situation, only one emotion outbursts a lot, and that is anxiety. Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder of Alkanand Homeo Care Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor. And you're watching my very own channel, Alkanand Clinic. Today's topic for discussion is anxiety, its causes, and basic tips to overcome it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do press the bell icon now and stay notified. The term anxiety can be defined as unpleasant feeling of fear and apprehension. Before moving forward on anxiety, let's differentiate between anxiety and fear. Fear is very specific to situation, events and things. The person undergoing fear is aware of what he or she is afraid of. Whereas in anxiety, the reason is mostly unknown. The person is not fully aware of what he or she is afraid of. Anxiety is mostly accompanied by physical symptoms such as increase in heart rate, shortness of breath, loss of appetite, loss of sleep, loose motion, fainting, tremors, etc. Basic example would be feeling of butterflies in stomach just before your presentation. That is a sign of anxiety. Now let's differentiate between normal anxiety and anxiety neurosis. Normal anxiety is when a person realizes the cause of anxiety and is able to overcome it. It is more or less temporary. Whereas anxiety neurosis is when the person is not sure of the cause which is affecting him, the nature of conflict which is affecting his anxiety levels. That would persist for a longer period of time. Now to explain both types of anxiety, let me give you one example. Anxiety just before the exam results is out is a case of normal anxiety. But fear and worry even before appearing to exam is a kind of neurotic anxiety. Moving forward to the causes of anxiety. Many psychologists have put forward their own theories about the causes of anxiety. Let's study a bit about it. According to Freud, increase in sexual desire when leads to repression or suppression of desires leads to anxiety. Although many scientists do not hold this theory, but it has been seen true in many cases. According to Jordan, anxiety arises as a result of conflict between any two emotions. According to Adler, if the person's ego is not developed properly, he develops a sense of inferiority, which leads to anxiety neurosis. But friends, according to me, if I am asked about anxiety, I would say the cause of anxiety is our own belief and thoughts. Our brain is very silly. It believes on anything and everything we make it believe, irrespective of any logic and facts. For example, if we are watching a movie and we get involved in a character, we actually can feel the pain of the character in an emotional part. At that times our emotions flare up and we tend to cry many a times. Why does that happen? We know that it is a real going on, that they are just acting. When we get anxious, we tend to believe that an unknown threat is going to ascend towards us. As we believe it, with time our brain starts sending signals the same way. Now these signals initiate the physical symptoms into our body. As the physical symptoms start arising, our anxiety level increases. And we start believing into it more and more. To get out of this vicious cycle, we need to break the chain of thoughts. We need to change our beliefs. The only way to do so is to bring your wandering mind back to reality. What is going to happen is not in your hands, but what is happening is what you create. Distraction of your mind to pleasurous events of the past or switching to yoga or meditation is also found to be effective as a temporary mode of treatment. Remember, anxiety is a delusion that your mind creates and you believe, and only you can change your own belief. For any further queries or any advices, you can contact me on this below given details. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video has been useful to you. Stay tuned every Monday.